Hey, what's up guys, Will here for GSM Arena. Xiaomi has released two new mid-range phones, the Mi 11 Lite and the more expensive Mi 11 Lite 5G. It's not only 5G support that sets these two apart, so let's go over their key features and see what they're all about. Both the Mi 11 Lite and the Mi 11 Lite 5G bring an ultra-slim design, which is quite compact and light. They only weigh around 160 grams each. The back panel is completely flat, and it's actually made of glass, which Xiaomi says is impact resistant. The phones are the same size as they are built around the same 6.55-inch AMOLED display, which has a 1080p resolution and a fast 90Hz refresh rate, and a small punch hole for the selfie cam. There is a small difference there. The selfie cam of the Mi 11 Lite is 16 megapixels, while the Mi 11 Lite 5G has a 20 megapixel one. But anyway, both phones' panels support 10-bit color and look gorgeous. There are some differences here though. The Mi 11 Lite has HDR10 support, while the 11 Lite 5G has HDR10+. And while the 4G version is protected by Gorilla Glass 5, the 5G is covered by Gorilla Glass 6. Performance is one category in which the Mi 11 Lite 5G has the clear upper hand. It comes with the new Snapdragon 780 chipset, which is built on a 5nm process. It's supposed to be the most powerful Snapdragon 700 series chipset you can get. And of course, it provides connectivity to 5G networks. In contrast, the Mi 11 Lite runs on a Snapdragon 732G, which is built on an 8nm process. It's the same that you would find inside of the popular Poco X3 NFC. So although the 4G version of the Mi 11 Lite is outshined by its 5G sibling performance-wise, it should still be pretty solid. Both phones are powered by the same 4250 mAh battery, though I would bet that the regular Mi 11 Lite with its more conservative chipset would have slightly better battery life. And you also get the same 33-watt fast charger included with either phone, which should be pretty fast to top things up. Something you'll find on both phones is a pair of stereo speakers, but you don't get a headphone jack on either one. You'll have to plug in with a USB-C dongle. Both variants of the Mi 11 Lite run Android 11, and the interface is Xiaomi's MIUI 12. It's a UI which we've become quite familiar with since it came out last year. And you can wake up and unlock either phone with a blazing fast side-mounted fingerprint scanner. Finally, let's go over the phone's triple cameras, which are identical. A 64-megapixel quad-Bayer main cam, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle cam, and a 5-megapixel tele-macro cam which has autofocus. I'd expect that the camera experience is just as enjoyable on both phones, though there may be some difference in processing speed for things like night mode. So there you have it guys, 5G is the hot thing right now, but if you don't have access to those networks, the obvious choice is to go for the cheaper 4G device. When there are some other upgrades in the mix though, the decision is a bit more difficult. Do you like the looks of the Mi 11 Lite and the Mi 11 Lite 5G? Let us know in the comments and I'll see you soon with our full review.